For planting garlic, I use newspapers. Thanks to this, I have better yields. When it's time to plant garlic, I take newspapers with me to the field. I chop the garlic and put it into a container with brine. I make the brine for soaking garlic by dissolving a tablespoon of salt in water. 1 tablespoon per liter of water is enough. The salt will protect the garlic from fungal diseases, but salt also protects the bulbs from onion fly larvae. Garlic untreated with salt can become a breeding ground for these flies. As a result, garlic bulbs rot. Soak the garlic in salt water for at least 15 minutes, then simply dry it and plant it. Traditionally, garlic is planted every 6 to 10 centimeters. Rows should be spaced between 25 and 30 centimeters apart. However, you can further protect such planted garlic by using newspapers. Planting garlic through newspapers is a simple trick. However, laying out newspapers on a windy day is not an easy task, so it's best to moisten the newspapers. Use water for this. Spray the newspapers or pour water on them. You can also soak them in a bucket of water before laying them out in the field. Newspapers are ideal for mulching. Garlic planted through newspapers is additionally protected from weeds. They don't grow as fast then. This way, you'll have better yields. Store garlic this way, and it will stay fresh and aromatic all year long. Garlic is truly gold in the kitchen. However, to prevent it from molding, sprouting, or losing its flavor, it needs to be stored properly. For the first method, use a plastic bag. Place whole garlic bulbs in the bag. Take a piece of cloth, such as a paper towel. Sprinkle a little salt in the center. Slice a raw potato and place the slices on the paper. Fold the paper into a square and tie it with a rubber band. This acts as a natural moisture absorber. Put this in the bag with the garlic, remove the air, and seal it tightly. Store it in a dry, cool place. The second method is my favorite. Separate the garlic cloves and peel them. Place them in a jar, add a teaspoon of salt and a chili pepper. Pour vinegar over it all. Close the jar, shake it, and store it in the fridge. This method not only preserves garlic, but also gives it a spicy, intense flavor. The third method uses rice. Pour rice into a tall container. Place the garlic bulbs inside and cover them with rice. The rice absorbs moisture and repels insects. This way, the garlic won't sprout or mold. Properly stored garlic gives you flavor and health for many months. My grandmother used this magic ingredient on aphids once a week. That's how she protected the entire garden. It shields all plants from aphids and also from bacteria. Today, I'll show you 2 ways to make this mixture. For the first method, you'll need granulated garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic to half a liter of warm water. Mix well. The smell of garlic not only repels aphids, but also ants, snails, spider mites, and thrips. Let this mixture sit for 24 hours. After that, strain it through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. Add at least half a liter of water to properly dilute the mixture. Finally, pour it into a spray bottle, and you're ready to go. You can also use another recipe. Use fresh garlic. Cut a few cloves in half and blend them with a little water. Garlic also strengthens the plant's immune system and stimulates growth. Strain the blender contents through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. Add just under a liter of water, and the mixture is ready. Simply pour it into a spray bottle for easier application. Use it regularly, once a week, on the plants you want to protect from aphids. Stick a toothpick into a clove of garlic. Insert a second one on the opposite side so it rests securely. Prepare a tall glass container and fill it with water. Place the garlic on the rim so the bottom lightly touches the water. Set it on a windowsill. After a few days, roots and green shoots will appear. Remember to refill the water. It is a quick and simple way to grow fresh garlic greens at home without taking up much space. Use garlic in the toilet to solve an unpleasant problem with just 1 ingredient. First, crush a clove of garlic using a garlic press directly into the toilet bowl. Then, prepare the toilet brush by securing it under the toilet seat and pouring dish soap over it. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour 1 cup of regular vinegar into the bowl. Vinegar effectively removes limescale buildup and contains acetic acid that kills bacteria and microorganisms. It also neutralizes bad odors, keeping the toilet fresh longer. Scrub as usual and see how it cleans and disinfects. This natural cleaner saves you money and helps the environment. Using natural ingredients like garlic and vinegar ensures you're avoiding unnecessary toxins in your home. Try this method regularly for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to maintaining a spotless toilet. It's stronger than 100 fungicides. I spray it on cucumber leaves and powdery mildew disappears in a day. To start, pour 300 milliliters of warm water into a container. Add a tablespoon of garlic powder and mix well. Garlic has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of milk and mix again. Milk contains proteins and enzymes that strengthen plants' natural defense mechanisms and also act as a preventive measure against fungal diseases. The next ingredient is baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon and mix well until it completely dissolves. Baking soda changes the pH of the leaf surface, making it difficult for many pathogens to develop. Now dilute the mixture by adding 600 milliliters of water to 200 milliliters of the elixir to get the right consistency. You can pour the remaining mixture into a jar for later use. Pour the prepared mixture into a spray bottle. Spray your cucumbers every 2 weeks to protect them from diseases and pests. This natural mixture will help you keep your plants healthy without using chemicals. Regular use will provide your cucumbers with the best protection. Powdery mildew and other diseases and pests will disappear and won't attack your crops. Soak the garlic in water to encourage root growth. Garlic planted in soil this way will grow faster. This is a method for rapid rooting of garlic. Prepare 1 plastic bottle for rooting for each garlic bulb. Peel the outer skin layers off the garlic bulbs. Then, trim the tops of the cloves with a knife. Do this with each garlic bulb you want to root faster. Even if it has already started to sprout a green stem, trim it. This procedure stimulates the garlic to grow faster and accelerates rooting. Cut off the top part of the plastic bottles. Shorten the bottles and insert the inverted top part into them. Pour water into the prepared bottles. Place the garlic bulbs in them. The bottom part of the bulb must be submerged in water. Check, change, and top up the water daily. Keep the garlic on the windowsill, but not in direct sunlight. After a few days, the garlic will have substantial roots and will sprout young stems. After 1 to 2 weeks, it's time to plant them. Separate the bulbs with roots. As you can see, the roots are beautiful. If you wait longer to plant, you'll see the garlic forming cloves. Soak the garlic in a bowl of water and add some salt. Soak the garlic for about 15 minutes. Salt protects the garlic from pests and prevents fungal diseases. Then dry it. If you want, plant some of the garlic in a pot. It can be placed on a windowsill. These conditions will ensure you have garlic quickly at home. Plant the rest of the garlic in the garden. I plant garlic on newspapers, but I'll talk about planting garlic on newspapers in the next video. So stay tuned for updates.